Top 5 Best F-150 Bed Covers. Number 5. Kuiperauto Hard Quad Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. A tonneau cover shouldn't cost more than the truck itself, and thankfully, the Kuiperauto Hard Quad knows its place. Made for the 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 style side, not flare side, this fold-up cover skips the fluff and delivers function where it matters. Installation? Done in under an hour, with no drilling, no curse words, and no blood sacrifices. The included weather stripping and manual keep things idiot-proof. Build quality punches above its price tag. Heavy-duty 14mm aluminum, powder-coated frame, and 2 solid crossbars that hold steady like a bouncer at closing time. It's not a submarine hatch, but the seals do a good job at keeping rain on the outside. UV resistance is a bonus, and cleaning is soap simple. A built-in LED is advertised, though it's more of a stick-on situation, but hey, it lights up. Fitment is tight, the look is sharp, and it doesn't flap or rattle at highway speeds. Some users grumble about the clamps, either rock solid or a bit sketchy, depending on the batch, but for the price, it's hard to beat. This is for truck owners who want strength, simplicity, and not paying double for a brand name. Coming in number 4. Whalemotor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover Compatible, built for Ford F-150s from 2004 to 2014. 6.5 feet bed. The Whalemotor Hard Folding Tonneau Cover brings solid protection without making your wallet cry. Made from fiberglass, not the kind in your attic, but the kind that laughs at hailstorms, it's rugged, sleek, and built for real-world abuse. Installation? Fairly painless, assuming you've got patience or a second set of hands. Clamp on, no drills, no drama. Just don't expect premium tools in the box. Those Allen wrenches are more symbolic than useful. Once installed, it sits tight, no rattles, even on bumpy roads or windy days. Rain resistance gets mixed reviews. Some users report a few leaks near the cab, others drive through monsoons with a dry bed. Add extra weather stripping and the odds tilt in your favor. The latches are firm, the locking system is solid, and it's secure enough to give casual thieves second thoughts. Looks? Sharp enough to earn compliments. Bonus? An actual bump in gas mileage after long hauls. Minor flaws like a few plastic parts or loose clamps show up occasionally, but Whalemotor's customer service is fast, responsive, and actually helpful. For the price, especially on a deal day, it's a smart buy with some muscle, and a brand that stands behind it. Coming in number 3. Tutel Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Tutel Hard Shell Folding Tonneau Cover is a quiet overachiever. Built for 2015-2025 Ford F-150s with the 6.5 feet bed, it combines sleek looks with serious durability. Matte black powder-coated aluminum frame, Endura Shield panels that resist dents, fading, scratches. This thing shrugs off sun and storms like it's bored. Install isn't rocket science, but it does help to have an extra set of hands, or at least patience, and a few washers if you're mod handy. The clamp system works, though a few owners upgraded it for extra snugness. Once locked in, it stays put. No flapping, no rattling, and crucially, no leaks, even under heavy rain. This cover doesn't just sit pretty, it's strong enough to support weight, keeps cargo bone dry, and removes in seconds when full bed access is needed. It folds easily, seals tight, and holds firm at highway speeds. For those tired of overpriced brands that underdeliver, this is redemption in polymer form. Add responsive customer service, shout out to Miss Sue, and thoughtful details like follow-up sizing checks, and what you get is more than a cover. It's a win. Not just better than the Leonard, but better than most. Coming in number 2. XCOVER Soft Locking Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The XCOVER Soft Locking Roll-Up Tonneau Cover quietly outsmarts the competition. Designed for the 2015-2025 F-150 and Lightning, 5.6 feet bed, it's the kind of cover that makes you wonder why you ever tolerated Velcro in the first place. Installation is so simple. It's been done in parking lots in under 30 minutes, with only one tool included, and that's all you'll need. The patented design skips the usual snaps and Velcro, replacing them with a slick tab lock system that clicks into place, holds tight, and resists sun, snow, and whatever else the elements throw at it. Integrated crossbars roll up with the tarp, giving you full bed access without the bulk. The top mount design helps water run off instead of pooling, and real-world road trips in heavy rain prove its seals hold up. It's not Fort Knox. If someone wants to cut in, They can, but that's true of every soft cover. It sits tight, looks clean, and doesn't flap or bounce at highway speed. If you want metal-level security, look elsewhere and pay 5x more. But if you're after sleek, smart, and storm-ready on a budget, this one's a home run. Coming in number 1. Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover is proof that not everything durable has to be expensive. Built for the 5.5 feet bed on 2021 to 2025 Ford F150s and Lightnings, it combines practicality, weather resistance, and a price point that doesn't feel like highway robbery. Its marine-grade vinyl top rides on aircraft-grade aluminum frames, with stainless steel clamps that are now upgraded to aluminum for long-term reliability. Installation is famously fast, no drills, no drama, and done in under 10 minutes. Fold it forward for quick bed access, or take it off completely if the job calls for it. Owners report no leaks, even after years of snow, storms, and daily car washes. Rain rolls off, dust stays out. Clamps lock in tightly, and the slight arch in the panels prevents water pooling. After 3 to 5 years, some parts may wear, but Tyger's customer service actually honors the lifetime warranty, often sending replacements fast and free. This isn't a luxury tonneau, it's a workhorse with just the right polish. Reliable, affordable, and refreshingly no-nonsense, the T3 remains a standout option for truck owners who want solid protection without the price tag of a small vacation.